Welcome to your quick start guide for Quotestream Active Sheets, your Excel-based solution for real-time market data and analysis. Quotestream Active Sheets is supported by Microsoft 365 and Excel 2021 on Windows, Mac, or web versions. Getting started with Quotestream Active Sheets is easy. Simply install it from the Office Store. Click Home, then Add-ins, browse for Quotestream Active Sheets, and add. Once installed, a new Quotestream Active Sheets tab will appear in your toolbar. To begin using the add-in, enter your credentials or use the token provided by other applications. On the sidebar, you will find the main functions, all designed to make your experience with Quotestream Active Sheets as smooth as possible. A streaming and historical data formula builder, a play or pause button, refresh and snapshot preferences, and a page with built-in templates to speed up your workflow. The Streaming Formula feature lets you create formulas for streaming data directly into your worksheet. To use it, click Formula Builder and enter the symbols you want to add on the symbol search bar. Once you're done, select all the data points in the View Type Show header, Data Orientation, and Data Placement, and click Insert. Alternatively, if your symbols and data points are listed in the spreadsheet, you can reference the cells on the Formula Builder. You can fetch historical prices in just a few clicks. Select the symbols from the symbol search bar, data points, and the date range you want to cover. By clicking Insert, historical prices will fill in instantly in your spreadsheet. You can also combine this with other native Excel formulas to unlock deeper analysis. Prefer to skip the formula wizard? Use QMS and QMH formulas directly in your spreadsheet. See the instruction manual for syntax and examples. Use the play or pause button on your Active Sheets sidebar to toggle updates whenever needed. It is possible to control your update frequency, switching between streaming and snapshot modes and customizing intervals from 1 to 9,999 seconds for performance tuning. Download and use one of the built-in templates and watch your data refresh automatically. You can customize the layout to fit your tracking or analysis style. You are all set to use Quotestream Active Sheets for real-time and historical data in Excel. If you need more help, check out the user manual under the Help section or contact customer support.